What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And I'm doing the intro late, but it's an intro. Like I said, today we taking the Cutlass to get the alternator checked out. Make sure, well, not get the alternator checked out, get the charging issue checked out. Make sure everything is everything. So you know, that's what's going on today. This thing getting solved, fixed. So I'm gonna find out what I got to do or whatever. So you know, y'all just stay tuned. That's what we got going on today. Hopefully we make some shake. I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in, man, checking in. We about to get some racing gas. Like I said, we just dropped the alternator off. They getting on top of it. They gonna get it done the same day. When I get back over there, I'm gonna put their info in the description for y'all, cause they do some good work. They do some real good work. So we got Tina with me. Look at her. We finna go ahead and get some racing gas in with Tina.
And my bear pooped on my bed.
She talking about them teddy bears. I got some bear for Valentine. She said they pooped on her bed. So we got Tina with a Peppa Pig shirt on.
It's not a shirt, it's a dress.
Oh, okay, well, she said it's a dress. So we about to get the racing gas. Hold on, Tina. Get the racing gas.
It's not that color out here.
No, it's not. I got one can, so I'm gonna fill this up. Then I'm gonna have to buy a new can, cause they end up messing up right there over time. So gonna fill that one up, then get another one, pour 10 gallons in the Cutlass. And we should be good to go, so y'all stay tuned. All right, load it up. Got 112. I was gonna get some 114. Had to get a new can, as y'all can see. Carl said my other ones, man, they got holes in them. So we good to go right there. We got 10 gallons of gas. Tina buckling herself in. She ain't finished yet. So I guess we're gonna chill out until they call me. And then after that, we're gonna get the alternator back, get it back on. So y'all stay tuned. All right, we're checking in, y'all. We're checking in. Got the alternator back right there. Racing gas in the back. About to get this back so we can throw it on right quick. So then we're gonna get the car back home the same day, man. That's what I'm talking about. Everything will finally be straight, and then I can drive it. She talking about some back though. I can drive it and all of that. Tina, what you call that gas back there? What kind of gas is it?
Racing gas.
Oh, she gonna say it right this time. She said it was power gas a while ago. She said that when I put that power gas in my car, it go fast. But look, I got a question for y'all. Simple question. I want I want y'all to comment down below your age and your ethnicity. Are you black, white, Hispanic, Asian? I want you to comment below your age and your ethnicity. I want and where you from. Them three things I want y'all to comment below. Age, ethnicity, and where you from. I want y'all to comment, cause I want to see something. So y'all drop them comment below, and then I'm gonna let y'all see something too. Cause I'm gonna let y'all see something at the end of the day. But I want y'all to drop that below. I was just thinking about it while it was on my mind while we headed back. So we got the new alternator, man. Shout out to Woods Electric in Monroe, Georgia, my hometown. Woods Electric, man. They got down. They turned a great turnaround. They did it quick. They took care of me. They number on the screen. Hit them up. They rebuild alternators, rebuild starters, all this stuff, man. They the truth. It's not the first time I used them, but you know I ain't used them since big meets in the big block days. So, man, number on the screen, Woods Electric in Monroe, Georgia. They've been in business for a long time. Long time. They're some good guys, man. Good price and all that. So, if you need something rebuilt, and it's cheaper too. They turned their alternator to a 1-wire alternator. Brand new. It's still cheaper if you want to buy one. buy one new and then turn it to a one wire, you still come out cheaper with their price and then going to buy one slap brand new. So yeah, y'all hit them up, and I see y'all in a minute. All right, we checking in. Go here, done deal. We charging now. It's all good. Let's see y'all. Let's see then. I tell y'all what it is. All of that. Let me take this off. All right, y'all. See what we got. Already looking better. Yeah, we in the game now. Good. Yes, sir. We back. So I'm gonna get back to the house. I tell y'all what all had to be done. We're about to go gas this thing up first, then I'm gonna tune in for y'all from the GoPro. All right, we checking in. We just gassed up. Let y'all ride along. Since I thought about it, I said we ain't did no ride along since it been tuned. And I actually need to point this thing at the gauge and see what's going on. That's really why I hooked it up, so I can point at the gauge and see what happened. So, but I'll do that another day off camera and all of that. I want to point at the RPM hand and all that good stuff, but we'll get to that another day. Be good to go now, man. We full power. We got new battery, new alternator. Really didn't even need that stuff, but I ain't taking nothing back. I'm just gonna keep my old battery. My battery's some good. Use for something. I got it sitting over here for right now on the other side. So don't hurt my alternator, man. That's the other thing too. I threw my alternator away. I think the old probably wasn't even bad. I could have just got it converted over to one where I had two, had an extra. Jump on the interstate. Been a good drone shot. I know that. The sun going down. Been a good drone shot. And since the tune, the thing even ride better. I'm talking about just on the interstate and everything, it even just run better, ride better, all the way around. Oh yeah, we charging now. We charging now. Not worried about no battery going there and all that. So I'm just gonna roll some B-roll. Alright, so we back. We almost back. Good little ride, man. Been a good day. Everything charging good, car running smooth, all that good stuff. Alright, so the camera stopped for some reason, but like I said, everything running good, all that good stuff. And you know, SDC, Chris, thumbs down. You know who it is. But anyway, yeah, man, everything going good. I had to throw that in there. But everything going good. We back charging, car running like a sewing machine, man. Crazy power. We literally just ready for the dyno. I gotta mount that. I'm gonna order that bracket. I need to mount my boost gauge. I still don't know how much boost it running. So I'm gonna order that. I'm gonna go in the house and order that today so I can just mount it right there. I can see my boost gauge and wire the lights up to that. And yeah, we ready, man. Try to schedule a dyno appointment. Literally, we ready now. It ain't nothing else drivetrain related I need to do. There's no other upgrade that's gonna affect power. So I just need to see how much power it make now. But I plan on going to track. I'm going to track this week. I'm going to track. The weather looking good. I'm gonna drive down there, put my slicks on, run the car about 3 times, get some tires on it, and we're gonna go from there. So I catch y'all when I get to the house and holler at y'all.
Oh, Cedro, you've done it again.
All right, we checking in. We checking back in. We back. Good day. Real good day. Chris, stop watching. I'm done, man. I'm fucking done. Anyway, look, now we back though. We back, cut us back. Lawless, straighten it out. Oh, well, put the alternator on. He diagnosed the problem, but Woods Electric got the alternator straight. We just, like I said, I just took it back. I took it by Woods, we turned it to a 1-wire. So what was going on, what the problem was, nobody guessed it. And I wouldn't have ever found it myself. I wouldn't have never found it. The way this car set up, it uses a resistor. Same thing what I was talking about with my Camaro, with the cranking with the bypassing the vats. It uses a resistor. So the resistor burned out in this car. The wire, the resistor in between the wire. Jesse didn't have none. And I got a whole pack. Y'all know I just got a whole pack from where I bought them for the Camaro, but they with the Camaro, and the Camaro nowhere near, it's nowhere close. So at least not right now. I'll probably have it back this coming week. I probably have that car back this coming week. Then finally we'll have all of them here for a little while, and then Dolo got to get ready to go. I know I keep saying that, man, but I'm just going on what I get told. I'm waiting on the converter, man. I hope to God I get the converter this week. Like, I'm so ready. I'm so ready for this car. I done had them. The engine has been done, and I just looked at it today when me and wife were headed back to get the Cutlass. The engine, I done had it a month now, so it's ready to go, man. Y'all know the transmission brand new. We had just did a 400 manual valve body, went from the 350 to the 400. Literally when I get the car back, that's another thing too. Soon as I get oil pressure, I got to take it to a driveline shop. I'm not gonna say where it's at, but I got to take it to a driveline shop because I'm gonna have a actual drive shaft made. I'm doing away with what was in there. I'm having one made, super strong U-joints and measured the right way and all that. So I got to have that done too soon as I get the car back. So it's gonna have to get towed from one place to the next, get the engine installed. Y'all know it's going to Hustle Hard. Then it's gonna have to get towed from Hustle Hard all the way to the driveline shop to get the drive shaft done, and then the car will be ready. It'll be ready to go on the rollers, dyno it. Like I said, it's dedicated. We got the nitrous system already set up. If you saw the bill, you already know it got a dedicated fuel system just for the nitrous. The motor's still a pump gas engine. It's a grown man though. It's a grown man, but it's gonna be ready to go when it comes from Hustle Hard. It's already. I'm probably gonna tell them to set it up on a 250 shot starting out. Then I'm gonna go to a 3, but we're gonna spray it. We're gonna hit it with 250. It'll take 3 with no problem. It'll take 4. It'll take 400. It probably take 450. Well, it'll take what you throw at it. It'll take but two between 2 and 3 ain't nothing on this engine I got. It ain't nothing, and it like gas. It loves gas, so I'm probably gonna have Frank peel it for 250. Fuel pressure and all that on the dedicated fuel system be set up for 250, and then I'm gonna go up to 3. And I already know what the car gonna run. I already know what kind of number it's gonna run. It's gonna run a real good number. So I'm gonna buy some 6s. I'm gonna buy some cheap 6s for right now. Which no rim cheap to me. I mean, y'all know how I feel about rim, but I'm gonna buy some 6s. Since the car not painted yet, I already got a color on my paint and stuff. The whole car gonna get redone. Whole car about to get redone, but right now I'm worried about the drivetrain. Y'all know the rear end good. I'm gonna change the gear in the rear end. I'm probably gonna end up going to a 410. I'm gonna drop it down to a 410 and all of that. So, you know, we good to go, man. We rolling. But everything going cool. Like, we good right here. I don't have nothing else to do to this car. I'm about to start addressing the brakes and the suspension, the shocks. I'm changing the shocks on all 4 corners. Then we're gonna go, like I said, disc brakes on all aftermarket disc brakes, master cylinder, wildwood, all of that on all 4 corners. And yeah, man, we're gonna take the rear end out. I'm gonna take the rear end out, just have it sandblasted and powder coated so it look nice. But the next step is suspension, addressing the suspension, shocks and springs, all new shocks and front springs stuff. So that's my next thing we're gonna do to it. I will be buying some wheels for the car. I'll probably go ahead and buy them. 22s, I don't want nothing bigger than that. I'm really not a fan of 24s on G bodies like that. They look good. I mean, I'm just not. I ain't never liked 24s on G body. I mean, I don't like putting them on there, but I like the way it look. If you get what I'm saying, it's just my preference. That's what I'm saying. My preference is 22s. Always have been. Every G body I had always had 22. But you know, just sit it nice. Just sit it up nice. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be notch. We're gonna do a C notch. I'm gonna take it back to Lawless, get a C notch. All of that. So wifey car, we got sunshine all next week. So I'll have this car, be getting this car all the way road ready. I got the vacuum lines. I'm gonna charge the battery real good, and we're gonna get the fan shroud stuff switched over. All of that. So, oh yeah, the carburetor. I saw people talking about the breather. Jay, put the breather back on. Put the breather back on. I get what y'all saying, but my car was tuned to run without the breather. That's what the tune was set up, the air and all that. He tuned it without the breather. Like that's what he tuned it for. He know what he doing. He knows what he doing. Yeah, people that say, hey, I'm a mechanic and this and that, and now he is too. He's a doctor. He's a doctor for a reason. Like I'm telling you, done built 4-digit cars and then went some numbers. And went some numbers in the 8th mile. I ain't talking about no play numbers. I'm talking about like today's numbers, what you call flying. He done been it. So he know what he doing. He tuned the car for use without the air cleaner. Now, when it's parked, like right now, I got the air cleaner on it. I do. When I park it, I put the air cleaner on it. Even though these great covers, nothing come through them, but the air cleaner on there. I probably can't see it. But I keep the air cleaner on it when it's parked. And I know what people saying, dust and all that, get in your carburetor. But I have never in my life, this is no lie, out of all my vehicles I ever owned, I ran an air cleaner on a few of them, but like big meats, when it had the big block, I didn't run an air cleaner. I never had that happen. So if I'm going down a dirt road, I'm about to have to tackle a dirt road, then yeah, I'm gonna stop and throw it on there. Cause I keep it in the car. I throw it on there. But like just riding around like right now, I ain't never had that happen, man. Knock on wood, but I never had that happen. I'm just being serious. I ain't saying it can't happen, but I'm just telling y'all this information that the car was tuned to run no air cleaner. And I see what he's talking about too. I done drove the other day. I didn't film it though with the air cleaner. It's you can tell. I say that it's take the air cleaner off, nothing. So yeah, that's that. That's just to explain that. But I see what people saying. They looking out and all that. I appreciate it. And like I said, when it's sitting, I put the air cleaner on. When I drive, I don't. If I had to go down dirt road, yeah, I throw it on there right quick. But yeah, that's it, man. I'm just glad we got it back. Shout out to Lawless. Shout out to Wood Electric for making it happen. And we good to go, man. I'm just ready to ride now. Like I said, I did test it. I tested the car out. I did a hit. I just didn't record. I ain't put it on camera. I recorded it, but I ain't put it up. I say that. And I'm ready. I'm ready to go to the track. I'm ready to go to the track. So y'all can look forward to that, man. We're gonna go to the track this week. Take it, put slicks on. We're gonna see what it do. So, yep, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.